Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you through the best settings for the Samsung Odyssey G5 for gaming. First, open the monitor settings using the joystick on the back of the screen. Go to the picture settings menu. Set the picture mode to game standard. If you prefer more competitive gaming, you can also try FPS or RTS mode depending on the type of game you play. Next, adjust the brightness. Set it between 60 and 80. If your room is dark, keep it lower. If your room has more light, increase it so you can see details clearly without straining your eyes. Now set the contrast to 75. This helps keep bright areas detailed without losing clarity in highlights. For sharpness, set it between 50 and 60. Some users prefer a lower value like 10 to reduce halo effects, but 50 to 60 gives a clearer image for most games. Go to color settings and set RGB values to red 50, green 50, blue 50. If you want slightly deeper blacks, you can try 49, 49, and 48. Next, set black level to normal. If you want better shadow detail, you can try level 13 to 14 depending on your preference. For gamma, select mode 1. If the image looks too dark, switch to mode 2 for a brighter look. Now move to gaming settings. Set response time to fastest or faster. Turn FreeSync or adaptive sync on to reduce screen tearing. Set your refresh rate to 144 Hz or 165 Hz depending on your model and your PC support. Also turn low input lag on for faster response in games. Thanks for watching.